We have a very special opportunity for you, something that doesn't come around a whole lot. We're doing a 10-week Hawaiian Ukulele Masterclass. And what I've put together is 10 of some of the best Hawaiian musicians in the world, including the one and only Anthony Stanley, Daniel Ho, Kris Fuchigami, Corey Fujimoto, and more. And each week, we're going to have one of these special guests on the live call with you, and they're going to be showing some tricks, some tips on how to actually play true Hawaiian chords, songs, turnarounds, everything that we come to associate with Hawaiian music, which is why we love and play the ukulele. This is a special masterclass that's going to go on for 10 weeks. Each week we are going to have a special guest. You're going to learn so much. It's going to be a small group of people. You'll be on the live call with the musicians. You'll be able to learn. You'll be able to ask questions. You'll be able to interact. And then don't worry, if you can't make it for any reason, everyone's going to be recorded and you're going to have access to go back and rewatch these videos. It's really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see this group of Hawaiian musicians together in a masterclass, and we want you to be there. So take advantage of it. We'll put a link below where you can go sign up. This will be truly an experience you do not want to miss.